We are doing a really exciting That sucked. Some tomato. No, I meant ketchup. I couldn't think of ketchup.
Is it only 1 egg that we need?
You tell me. Nie, paluszki. No, pretend you're still going because we didn't stop yet. Find yourself. If you do, use it. Oh my God. Look at me, nachos!
It looks so flippin' good.
Shit, I gotta redo that. Hold on. Look, I made flippin' nachos!
Holy F.
Make it. Do it.
Well, we're not filming it, are we?
Yep.
Oh, we're rolling. I don't even know what to say to you. Okay.
Wait a second. I'll let you know when it's all done being wiggly. Alright?
Well, you just have to drink while you make it. That's it. That is a disturbing sound. Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Silly Kitchen. I didn't like the way that sounded. It's weird you standing like.
Well, bullshit.
I'm keeping that.
Good.
Okay.
What? Where?
Instagram.
Where?
Did I not say Instagram?
No.
Well, then the first cut was better. And cut.
Yeah.
No, you were not gonna roll that.
She hit it. She hit the button.
Today in the Silly Kitchen, it is all. Okay, Mom, check it. Is this good?
What a bitch.
Did you just call me a bitch?
What a bitch!
We're gonna cut that out.
You don't understand Polish?
I don't understand Polish, no. I do actually, but clearly my hearing isn't good.
Okay, so Sylvia, you ready to taste some of this?
Hold on, I have a shtick.
Hurry!
Who's hosting this thing?
Yeah, no kidding. Come on, give me the microphone.
If you're enjoying the Silly Kitchen and the episodes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. There's a little notification bell too if you want to hit that. There's so much more to come.